In this video, I am going to show you one of the simplest strategy to trade binary options. And if you use this strategy with the money management that I am going to show you in this video, then you can make good amount of money by trading binary options. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any crucial information that I am going to provide you in this video. And if you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe to my channel. And if you think this video added some value to your life, then please do like this video. So now, without doing any delay, let's get started. Firstly, the platform that I'm going to use is Pocket Option, and this Pocket Option has this something called tournament, where you can take part into the tournament for free every 24 hours. So this can be one of the tournament that can help you to enhance your trading strategy. You can simply register in this way, and then this is going to be your tournament. It will start after 24 hours. So there is another tournament that is already going on, and this is the tournament, and I'm going to show you by trading in this tournament account. So let it load first. Okay, so the chart has been loaded. Now what you need to understand is the money management. Okay, so you can see we have $100 at here, then so that we will be investing it in 4 parts, $25 for each time. The trading time, expiration time would be extremely fast, that is 5 seconds. Okay, and the candle should be of 1 minute. Okay, always remember Japanese candlestick and 1 minute. Once this much is done, then what you need to do is, this is a trend. Okay, you need to see a clear trend, like it is going down. Okay, it is not like zigzag, it is going down. Now what will be our take in this 5-second strategy is, we are always going to take higher trade randomly. Okay, in this way. Now let's wait and see what happens in this trade. So we made loss, that's fine. Now this is AUD CHF. Now we'll go to another currency pair. So to go to another currency pair, just click on here and go to AUD CAD. So just see, this is a trend. Now we are going to get in higher trade. Now let's see what happens in this trade at here. So we made a profit at here, as you can see. So now you don't need to trade in this exact currency again. Okay, now you can change another. So let's select another currency pair, that would be AUD USD. So now you can see this is a downtrend. So let's make a trade by clicking on higher, and let's see what happens at here. So we made a loss in this trade. So let's again select another currency pair, CAD CHF. So this trend is a little bit non-clear. It was going up, now it seems like it is going down, but it may also go up. So you need to ignore this kind of currency and you can choose another one. So this is also not a good trend, but you can see it can be a good indication of down. Okay, so that's why you can take higher, but still it is risky. So I'll take another one. So this is also a little bit unclear. So let me see. Okay, so this is going up, that means we are going to take lower trade. So we made an investment of $25. Now let's see what happens in this trade. So we made a profit in this trade also. Now let's select another one. So this is also a little bit unclear. So this is a flat market, we cannot trade at here. So again, what you can do, if you're not founding at below, then you can again go to the top. Okay, it is going down, so simply make a trade by clicking higher, and let's see what happens. Again made a loss, so let's select another one. It's also going down, so let's make a trade by clicking on higher. So let's see. So we made a loss in this also. Again another currency pair, let's go. It is going down, let's click on higher. So this also we made a loss. Again, now there is only $21. Okay, so no problem. Let's click on here and again select another one. So it is going up, so let's click on down. So by doing this much, we made our total loss of $100. Now you need to understand, this is not the end of the strategy. Okay, we made a loss by using the strategy by going the opposite of the trend. Okay, so now what we can do is, I'm exactly going to show you in the demo account for now. Now what you need to do is, you need to go with the trend. Okay, by using this 5-second strategy. So now let's say you need to select 5 second and candle is 1 minute. Okay, so now let's invest $25, and see. So this is going down, we'll click on lower and see what happens in this trade. We'll go with the trend now. Okay, from this time. Okay, made loss, that's fine. Let's go with this one. So it is going down. Let's make a trade by clicking on down and let's see the result. So didn't make any profit at here also. Let's go to another and let's again go to down. Yes, in this we made a profit. Now again in this, let's see. So it is a little bit unclear. It's going down. Let's click on lower. Made loss. Again in another, going up, click on higher. Made profit. Again go with another. Unclear, it is unclear. Again with another. It's going lower. Let's click on lower. Made profit at here. Now let's go with another one. It's going lower, but it is a little bit unclear. See, in another it is going up. Click on higher. Made profit at here. Similarly, let's go with another one. This is unclear. This is also not so much clear. So it is also not clear. So again we can go to the top and it is also now a little bit unclear. So this seems properly down. So let's make a trade by clicking on lower. Made profit. So in this way you can keep on trading and keep on increasing your fund. Now what happens sometimes, the strategy like firstly what we did, we used to go to the opposite of the trend, okay, and we continuously did wrong. That means we lost our total investment of $100, and then we knew that this market is currently going in the trend. Okay, all of these markets are going in the trend in this 5 second. Okay, most trades are going to become right if we go in that way, and then we started to take our trade by following that, and we started to make good amount of right trades. Now if I show you in these trades, and here you can see there are lots of trade that went right. Okay, so guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, then please do like this video. And if you want to watch more strategy related to trading binary options and 1 minute trading, then I will put some of the videos link in the description of this video. You can check that. And if you don't have an account on Pocket Option, then I'll also give you a step-by-step tutorial to create and verify your Pocket Option account, and I'll put the video link in the description of this YouTube video. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care. Have a great life ahead. Bye bye.